Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. We are back in Nonna's BK basement to make a really fun recipe, but Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana. I gotta make S, they call it S cookies, orange, what else? A chocolate chip.
A chocolate chip. We're making
yeah.
Orange chocolate chip
very
S cookies
good.
today.
Cookies.
We're jazzing it up.
Mm-hmm.
We're not doing the normal stuff anymore. We're getting really dangerous and creative over here. So these are really easy. It's an olive oil based cookie. She makes a lot of different kinds of this cookie recipe, a lot of different variations, flavoring them differently. So it just shows you when you got a classic, you work it and work it good. So there's no reason to just go crazy making up all crazy cookie recipes. Nonna's basic olive oil base is phenomenal. It is such a great cookie, so easy to make. We don't even need a stand mixer, an electric mixer. We got a bowl and a wooden spoon today.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's enough there, yeah.
That's enough. You don't need a fancy things. So, Nonna, what's the first thing we're going to do?
I gotta make first eggs.
Eggs. So
all liquid stuff.
All the liquid stuff. So let me just tell you a little bit about the ingredients. We have egg, we have some sugar, orange zest, flour, olive oil, not extra virgin. Extra virgin tastes too strong for this. We've got some baking powder and some mini chocolate chips. And of course, my favorite vanilla extract from Italy, vanillina. You could use regular vanilla extract in its place if you don't have it. So I'm just going to get the egg in here. And what else?
I'm going to put oil.
Okay. Then we put the orange. And again, for the full recipe and a complete list of ingredients, please head to cookingwithnonna.com.
Put sugar now.
Gotta put a sugar now. And my favorite. I love this stuff. Oof. This is available in La Bottega on our website. If you can't find it. We're just gonna mix.
You want to put flour?
Flour and baking powder. And even the chocolate chips.
Yeah.
So we're using the mini chocolate chips today. You don't want the big chocolate chips because they're just too big and too chunky for these kind of cookies. You want to be able to roll them into that S shape.
It's better this one, yeah.
So you want them to kind of incorporate really nicely in the cookie. You don't want to take a bite and have all chocolate in your mouth. You want all the flavors to combine beautifully. And you just want to mix until all the flour is absorbed. Nonna, you smell the orange?
Yeah, sure. They smell good.
Already they smell good. So guys, it's going to be a little bit sticky because if you make it too hard with flour, then guess what? Your cookies are going to taste like flour. So you don't want to add too much flour to it. You want to make sure your dough is still a little tiny bit sticky. And the only thing that you need to do is use some flour when you roll it out around your hands.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
That's enough, yeah.
Yeah, they take all the flour.
Now I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to line, this is Nonna Romana's favorite baking sheet. Please don't tell me how it's old and she needs other ones and I'm not a good granddaughter because I don't buy her new baking pads. She don't want them. Nonna, you don't throw these out.
No, I don't throw them.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because I love that.
It's still good, right?
Yeah, still good.
What would you do if I throw away?
Hey, why you got to throw away? You can use more.
But if I throw away, what are you going to do?
What I got to do? I told you not throw away, so.
I promise I'll never throw these away. I'm going to keep these forever. So I just line this with some tin foil and I sprayed it with some baking spray. Alternatively, you can use parchment paper and then you don't have to spray it with anything. That's so good. That's a good. Every
Okay.
bit of batter cookie dough has to come off that spoon. every single bit.
I don't
So we
wanna
got
do nothing.
some extra flour in here. I'm gonna dump some over here.
Maybe take some knife. It's better. Huh?
Oh, we don't need a knife.
No? All right.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn this out. Okay. Don't worry. I'm gonna scrape this. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. No. What do we do?
I gotta make the S cookies. I gotta show you the way.
Okay, you show first.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry if you lose a chocolate chip or two on the journey. It's okay. Okay. Okay, and there we go. We got an S.
Mm-hmm. Okay, they finish.
Okay, now we got a lot of S's over here.
Oh yeah, very good.
And we are just gonna pop these into a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes or just until the bottoms are nice and golden brown. And then I'm gonna make some coffee and we're gonna try a few.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
Okay, these baked up absolutely beautifully. Look at how nice and brown they are right on the bottom. Just lightly, they smell like chocolate orange. So good.
Nice.
They smell so nice. You want to taste?
Yeah.
We got to taste one? Okay.
Okay.
You want a half for me, half for you?
Yeah, F.
F? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So we got our coffee here.
Yeah, sure.
Here, you taste.
Mm.
Mmm,
It's so good.
so good.
Mm-hmm. You're soft, nice. Mm-hmm.
If you love orange chocolate, you're going to love these. And they go
Yeah.
perfectly with a little espresso.
Very nice.
You going to take some coffee?
Yeah.
God, I can't control it. You can't make this up. Cannot make this up. This is real life. What are you going to do?
And take.
Yeah, you could take.
They're so good.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, thank you for watching. We
Thank
will see
you.
you next time. Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna. I love you.
I love you too.
Just the way you are.
I know the way you have.
Ciao, guys. We'll see you next time.
Okay. Bye, everybody.